Hello and welcome. So what do we see on the table today? Well, we see a cord. Oh, that's all. Just a plain power cord. Why would we see that? Well, because along with that cord, one of these microphones is shut off. Well, that's okay. I can turn it back on. Okay. What do we see but a 1541? Now, does it work? Who knows? It is off. Take the power cord, stick it in, turn it on. And we see no LEDs, and it spins. This is not a good thing. It is not. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it? Okay. So I'll take out the screws. And we'll see what we see. Now, should I have plugged it in without looking inside first? Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. I mean, when no LEDs come on, I'm inclined to think that the LEDs are not plugged in, because typically they come on. But not always. So let's have a look. Let's have a look-see in here. So this LED is indeed plugged in. And the one over here, sorry. Well, they both seem to be plugged in. And the drive, it spins. I'm going to, just because I can, and I'm here, and it shouldn't make any sense, because I'm sure that's in the right way. I'm going to flip this around. And no power LED at all. That is peculiar, because the power is usually, lit up. But this one is not. I'm trying to see, okay, and the drive is spinning. It is. And it's some dusty, not nearly as dusty as the last 64 I looked at, but I can give it a little gentle brushing down. So what typically fails, I mean, a 1541, it's basically there's a drive mechanism, there's the circuit board, and there's the power supply. And typically the power supply doesn't fail. So it would seem to me that something on the circuit board has failed, probably. No, do I feel anything remarkably hot remarkably soon? I do not. I do not. That is a sign of things that could be bad. Now, this power LED not being on is somewhat disturbing. I'm going to, just for fun, although it won't make any difference, I'm just going to rattle around the power LED, not LED, power connector here, in case there is micro corrosion. I'm going to turn it on, and indeed, it is going to do nothing. So I'm going to have a look inside. It is spinning. Drive head, which is basically a black line along a white thing, which you can't really see, looks pretty okay. But once again, this is triage. Triage. So, it's not working. So 1541 spins, no LEDs. 6 of 7 major chips in sockets. Test further. Alright, I type so fast. Writing is just so painfully slow. I often skip letters. Alright. So now that this has been on for a little bit longer, I'll just touch any of the chips here to see if any feel overly hot. And actually, most of them feel pretty cold. Pretty cold indeed. So who knows, maybe there is a power supply problem. Who knows? I'm wearing dust still. Well, at the moment, I can fold this up, turn this off. Where's the power? Why? No, there's the power. Maybe I'll stick that in there. Maybe I'll fold it again. I don't want to really get it deep in. It doesn't have to go deep. It just has to be there. Okay. All right. So a 15